Well, this is the Norwegian Epic Dining Room called Manhattan's, and it's got a really interesting decor. We just toured the ship, and now we're sitting down to lunch. And these are my fellow travel agents. We've had a whirlwind running tour of a lot of the cabins, and now we finally are taking a break. So, say hey.
Hey.
She's from Canada.
Yes, I am.
All right.
The frozen north.
Yeah, the frozen north. Okay. So anyway, we're having lunch, and then that'll be the end for the Epic. But what I've seen, I have liked. So.